Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome to class 2. Today is our English class. So students, open your books and come on the unit number 3. The name of the unit is Androcles and the Lion. Let's have a reading. Androcles was a slave. His master was very bad. He beat him and made him work day and night. Androcles ran away into the desert. He ran and he ran. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. He was very tired. He went to sleep in a cave. Suddenly he heard a lion roar. He was afraid. Then he saw the lion. It came near him and roared again. Androcles was very afraid. The lion held up its paw and roared loudly. Androcles looked at the lion's paw. A thorn was stuck in it. Androcles gently pulled out the thorn. The lion licked his face. After some days, some men came to the desert and caught Androcles. They took him back to the town. They put him in a cage. There was a lion in the cage. It roared loudly. Androcles was afraid. Come on the next page, page number 32. The lion came and licked his face. It was his friend, the lion from the desert. Androcles and the lion sat down together in the cage. All the people saw this. They shouted, "Set Androcles free. He is a good man. Even the lion is his friend." Now I will tell you a short summary of this lesson. In ancient times, a slave named Androcles escaped from his master and fled into the forest. He wandered there for a long time until he was tired. Just then, he heard a lion near him roaring. He saw that the lion was holding out his right paw. There was a great big thorn in his paw. Androcles held up the thorn and drew it out of the lion's paw. The lion rubbed up against Androcles, which showed that if it was very thankful. One day a number of soldiers came into the forest and brought him back to the town. He was put in a prison. The emperor gave the signal for the lion to come out and attack Androcles. Instead of jumping upon him, it rubbed up against him. It was the same lion which Androcles had met in the forest. The emperor forgave Androcles and set him free. पुराने वक्तों में ग़ुलाम एंड्रोक्लीस अपने आका की कैद से निकला और जंगल में भाग गया। वो काफ़ी देर तक इधर उधर मारा फिरता रहा, हत्ता कि वो थक गया। उसी वक्त उसने अपने करीब एक शेर को दहाड़ते सुना। उसने देखा कि शेर ने अपना दायां पंजा पकड़ा हुआ था। इस पंजे में एक बहुत बड़ा कांटा फंस गया था। एंड्रोक्लीस ने कांटा पकड़ा और शेर के पंजे से उसको निकाल दिया। शेर ने एंड्रोक्लीस से ख़ुद को रगड़ा कि वो उसका बहुत शुक्रगुजार है। एक दिन बहुत से फ़ौजी जंगल में आए और इसको कस्बे में पकड़ कर ले गए। उसको कैद में रखा गया। बादशाह ने शेर को आने और एंड्रोक्लीस पर हमला करने का इशारा किया। इसके ऊपर छलांग लगाने की बजाय इसे ख़ुद को एंड्रोक्लीस के साथ रगड़ा। ये वही शेर था जिसको एंड्रोक्लीस जंगल में मिल चुका था। बादशाह ने एंड्रोक्लीस को माफ़ कर दिया और इसको आज़ाद भी कर दिया। Now dear students, I will tell you the difficult words and their meanings. Write down on your notebooks. First one is a slave, a man or woman who has to work for someone else. Slave, a man or woman who has to work for someone else. Desert, a very dry and not hot place where there is a lot of sand and very few plants. Desert, a very dry and hot place where there is a lot of sand and very few plants. Paw, the foot of an animal. Paw, the foot of an animal. Thorn, sharp pointed part of a plant. Thorn, sharp pointed part of a plant. Now come on the word sentences. Slave. Androcles was a slave. Slave. Androcles was a slave. Number 2, desert. He ran away into the desert. Desert. He ran away into the desert. Paw. Androcles looked at the lion's paw. Paw. Androcles looked at the lion's paw. Thorn. A thorn was stuck in his foot. Thorn. A thorn was stuck in his foot. Now, dear students, you write down the difficult words and their meanings on your notebooks. Read them and learn them. Now, come on the page number 32. You solve the book work. Underline the correct word or phrase to complete the sentences. The first one has been done for you. Number 1, Androcles worked for a very good bad man. Bad is the correct option. Number 2, he ran away into the desert cave. You underline the word desert. Number 3, he slept in a cave. You underline the word cave. Number 4, the lion had a nail thorn in its paw. You underline the word thorn. Some man caught Androcles and took him to the town desert. Town is the correct option. You underline the word town. Now come on the option number 6. The lion in the cage and the lion in the cave were the same, different. The same is the correct option. You underline the word the same. Have you done? Now come on the page number 33. Use the right word from the box in each of the sentences below. The first one has been done for you. Roar, shout, whisper, scream, sing, suicide. Do lions roar when they are hungry or when they are angry? You will wake the baby if you scream, S-C-R-E-M, scream loudly. Amir and his mother shout when they see a mouse. I want to whisper a secret in my mother's ear. Meena and Tina will recite a poem about a dog. Saad and Zinat sing ghazals very well. Do lions roar when they are hungry or when they are angry? You will wake the baby if you scream loudly. Amir and his brother shout when they see a mouse. I want to whisper a secret in my mother's ear. Meena and Tina will recite a poem about a dog. Saad and Zinat sing ghazals very well. Write down the words meaning and words and also the book work. Read them and learn them. Hope you understand the lesson. I say, if you have any confusion, you can contact on the school official number. I say Allah Hafiz to all of you. Take a good care of yourself.